Привет from Sakhalin. This is the full moon at Okhotsk Sea, and the Sea of Okhotsk, part of Pacific Ocean. And there is a bottle with the net over there that I will try to catch later on, or maybe in the morning, depending where we stay. But we are planning to stay for the night either at the sea, at the beach, or at the friend's wooden house, just small house. And those are our friends over there. This is the fire, and this is the fish that I'm going to prepare on the fire with this net. Watch the moon for now, while I'm preparing the fish. The moon, the fish, and the fire, and my recipe. You put the herbs and the onion inside, and also the tomatoes. The tomatoes and the pepper. Давай, pepper.
Ну, еще.
Это...
Может не вывалится.